I was born to be free.
Okay.
And I have rinsed it out, so she's a bit wet, but I'll let you I think she'll try.
Oh, you give her. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just hosed it
Bit of
down.
a rinse.
Yeah, I got rid of the birds nest, so there were no dead birds. That's good. No birds.
Good.
Yeah.
Right.
We'll go up to the front together. And I'll tell you what. We'll go up to the front together. And I'll tell you what we're going to do. So we want to take the rope with us. Yeah, so when I say slip the lines, just pull that end bit, unwrap it, and just pull on that, because that one's looped round. And basically, yeah, and just like so clear or something when you've got all the rope on the boat.
Where will you be?
I'll be at the back. I'll be doing this one, and then we'll head out. So I'll probably stay here, to be honest, and watch you do it. I'll give him a ring. I'll give him a ring on the radio. Chichester, this is Sampaguita, over.
Sampaguita, this is Chichester, good morning, over.
Good morning, request instructions to leave the marina, please, over.
Sampaguita, yep, slip your lines, come out into the fairway. We currently have free flow. We're only about 15-20 minutes from high water, so the inbound flow at the moment is about maybe half a knot. Over.
Chichester, Sampaguita, thank you for those instructions. I will do so. Out. Okay, if you hold the end of that rope and don't quite slip it yet. And now slip it. You can come back, yeah, if you want. Tight fit.
Yeah, very tight.
Yeah, just drop them there for now. We've got 2 greens, we can go.
Where's the green?
There. Can you see traffic lights? Half a knot coming in. Morning. The seagulls eating all the fish as they come in.
Oh, yeah.
All right?
Yeah, you?
Calm enough for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You okay?
I always
Hurt yourself.
do it every single time.
Scrape your hand.
Last time I absolutely broke a nail so far down it really hurt. So we've got half a knot coming in, so we do want to go through a little bit like this.
At this speed?
Yeah. Maybe even faster.
Can I go at the front? Is that okay?
Of course you can.
Yeah.
And if he says when you're coming back, say probably Friday, maybe Saturday, because they may ask. I've already told them that it's normal for them to ask. Yeah, don't say never.
So the 3rd of November.
And I've split my nail again. Every time. What is it I'm doing that does that? Thank you. See you Friday or Saturday. Brought you back because very unusual thing. We've got a police boat with a blue light. We've got a very big crane on a barge. I'm being very clear that I'm getting out of the way. Look at that. Piling contractors. Very cool. Just brought you back so you can see how beautiful it is here. There's the black clouds behind us, but look ahead. Look. Blue skies. Becky's on the mix down there. Kel Surprise. I've got my Diet Coke, I'm happy. Becky's on the tee. So here we are at Haley Island Yacht Club. Got a sailing boat on our starboard side and a sailing boat on our port. A few people out. We're going to stick our nose out side Chichester Harbour and into the Solent, head up to the big beacon buoy and see how it's all looking. Becky's on the front enjoying the sun. Right, let's see if we can sail. Just tidying up some ropes and things.
You're right, darling.
Yeah.
I feel like that green rope, is that a problem?
That's right. We're too far away to help, someone else can help them.
Right, okay. What's happened?
There's a sailing vessel that suffered engine failure, and Coast Guard are asking anyone who's available to tow. But it's over near Fareham.
Right.
So,
is that sail okay?
that sail is okay.
Right, I was worried about that green rope there.
I will
it's like
tidy that
flinging
up.
around,
Yes, I will
yeah.
tidy that up.
Engine is off.
And we're doing 3 knots. Are we leaning too much for you?
No?
So we're on our way under sail, and that's the first time we've had the headsail up. I'm being really cautious. Far too cautious. I've got 2 reefs in. I've got the second reef in.
Best to caution on the side of wind, babe. That's what they say.
Yeah, I'll just tidy up the 3rd reef line, which is green, and then we'll get the headsail out.
Okay.
The arc furrow.
Over there?
Just there.
Oh.
So our wind looks good. Our course is pretty good. Let's get the headsail out. 4 knots. I said I wanted 4 knots. 4.2. That's with second reefing. Of course, we need to go right foot. So you see that fort off the starboard bow?
Oh yes, yeah.
That's going to pass down here.
Oh really? We're going quite close.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll get you some lunch, Mum.
So we've been up to 5.6 knots, and you know what? Given it's the first time I've got the sail up, I'm actually glad I put a second reef in, because the wind gusted up to 14. In fact, it's still around 12 now. Yeah, we got up to, I think, 5.6. That's not bad for a first sail. The sail shape is okay. The head sail, the car could be better if it was forward and pulling the luff down a bit, but I'm not going to try and adjust that now, because we're going to bring the sails down before that fort. Look what's coming in very quickly as well. We've got this big evergreen container ship. It won't come near us because we're going to be near the fort, but it's amazing how quickly he's come in and turned around. That boat that was racing us is only still a bit ahead of us, and he's got full sail up. So we're doing all right. She's actually moving, and she's pretty, can you see how solid she is? It's difficult because the camera stabilizes everything, doesn't it? Oh, lobster pot. I can see an orange dot. We got a lobster pot ahead, darling. Got a lobster pot ahead. It's all right, I've seen it. No, you're busy doing your washing. I'm just trying to highlight how real they are. Yeah, this one's dead ahead. I'll steer off a bit. This thing, I know it's simple, but it just means I can just sit here, check the sails, look around, move around the boat as much as I want. It's really quite good. The sun is out, just coming through a little bit of diffused cloud, but it's actually really nice. So, and today is, out of the 3 or 4 days, today is probably the worst forecast, so we'll see. We will see. Right, let's come back. Let's go near that lobster pot, but not over it. Spinnaker Tower very clear now. Fort very clear. It's a bit sad we have to bring the sails down in a minute.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, my nerves are shot.
Don't worry, it's fine.
I can't look. Honestly.
I know what I'm doing.
I know you do, I know.
Might not look like it.
You're doing amazing. It's even got a little VIP area, look.
Oh, on the outside, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be a good rave location if you can actually sort out the logistics, but
VIP area there. Terrace.
incredible, isn't it?
It's perfect.
Just incredible. I wonder how long that will be there. Probably another 250 years.
200 years.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're coming in. Can you see on the camera how slowly we're moving? and I'm at 2,400 revs. I don't like doing this to this boat, but the water is pouring out Portsmouth Harbour. We're doing 2.6 knots speed above ground, it says. Speed above ground. I'm just going to drop it ever so slightly. My poor engine, 2250 revs is what I want. There. And we're making progress. Very slow progress. Now I hear near the edge there's less of a current, but I don't really want to go too near the edge, so we'll just stay doing what we're doing. We're getting through it. The water's racing around that corner. Look at it over the rocks. It's just like dancing. Looks like sardine. Am I ruining a video?
No, not something.
Right. There's Foxtrot even, which I was on. We're on Golf even 38, aren't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, we might even be right up this end. There's a gap. There's a gap there.
There is a gap there. There's a couple of gaps.
A couple of gaps further up. You're right. It does make it smoother, doesn't it?
Mm.
A little bit.
Yeah.
But the wind is going to blow me off. I might need you to leap down,
Okay.
I'm afraid. If you take one of the ropes and stand on it on the outside like we do, because the wind is going to blow me away. So you'll have to go down while I drive it onto the pylon thing. And all you've got to do, if you take the front one and stand up midships in the middle of the boat,
On this
and
side?
get on the outside of the cable and hold on to those white vertical ones, we've got plenty of time. Then you're going to take it forward, and where there's a cleat, just pass it around the cleat and then just stand up holding the line tight.
On the thing?
Yeah. But you'll be fine. Just don't fall in. If you don't want to get off, don't get off, right?
On this side, yeah?
Yeah. So you'll take that rope, yep. Keep it tight so it doesn't kind of fall overboard. I'm going to try and drive us onto the pylon so you can hop down, but if in doubt, don't. You know, don't. I'm not going to be yelling at you.
Steppy thing.
Sorry?
Where's the step?
It's on that side.
So I do it this side. Okay.
You'll just have to kind of
Okay.
nimbly step down.
Yeah, okay.
You'll manage.
There, that way.
It's a big wide gap, so I might even go past it and come back.
Yeah, I can't see any numbers. Is that there? Yeah, go 34.
So we're next to the next one, Jane.
Yeah, we're in between these two.
Rebecca Jane. Now we're going to get blown onto Rebecca Jane, but I'm going to try and try not to let that happen.
Tell me when I should be stepping off.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, get over. Hop down it as and when you feel you want to. And I will too, and that was quite well done. So take it up to that foil cleat and then bring her, put it round. That's right, and then just stand up and we'll just practice how we do it when we arrive. That's it. And then you just wait there. amazing.
Is that right?
You are amazing, yeah. What you did there is absolutely perfect. That is textbook. So, beautifully done. You're amazing. Give me a kiss.
Wow, we did it. Perfect. Next to Angelina.
Rebecca Jane, for my Rebecca.